Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Just a quick update on the whole moving situation. We sold our house and we are really shocked at how fast that happened. It literally happened in a blink of an eye, and right now we are thrown into chaos trying to figure out the whole moving situation. Today we thought was a good day to vlog because we have figured a few more things out. Yeah?
What?
No, it's okay. I'm doing the intro for the vlog.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Do you need anything from the storage locker?
I'm gonna come with you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We have a lot more things figured out, which is why we thought it'd be a good vlog to just keep you guys all updated on what's happening. As Cale just said, he's going to the storage locker. I'm gonna bring you guys with us so we can show you all of our crap and just get you up to speed. There it is. Sold.
It's a fish.
It's official. So that is the biggest news. We sold our house and it happened so fast. We were not expecting this at all because real estate in Midland is really funny in that houses either sell right away or they sit on the market for like 30 days. So we had no idea what to expect.
Yeah. Yep.
And then it sold.
Yeah. And it was a strong offer, an offer that
we couldn't refuse it for sure.
Came with little to no conditions. So it just made everything nice and clean.
Very tidy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was the best case scenario for us, considering we had already gotten an accepted offer in Calgary, so we really were wanting to sell right away, and we couldn't have asked for a better deal, so we took it. But the people that bought our house requested a closing date of November 29th, which is coming up very soon. So we're kind of like chickens with their heads cut off right now.
Yeah, we're going a little wild. Yep.
There's a lot
Long days,
going
short
on.
Nights. Yep.
Yeah. Ugh, like I can't even wrap my brain around the change that's happening right now, but it's happening. We're gonna do it, and we think that this type of move is gonna be really interesting for a lot of people that are thinking about moving out of province, because I know that more and more people are considering this exact type of move. It'd be good to share our experience with people that are curious about this whole process.
Yeah, just give you what our take is on everything. Oh, gas went down 1 cent. Maybe that's the peak of it.
So right now we're heading over to the storage locker.
Yeah, we're going to the storage locker. We're kind of going a roundabout way because there are reports of a fire up here, up at the top of the street that the main street that we live right off of.
Yeah.
And the main highway. So my neighbor kind of came out when I was walking Gibson this morning. My neighbor came out and he said, "The Victory Loop's on fire up there." So he'd got word from his wife that it looks like there's still some smoke up here. But when I walked Gibson, there was big, thick plumes of black smoke going up in the air.
Yeah, I hope everyone's okay. So in the last vlog, we gave you a house tour of our house, completely staged and stripped of everything. We'll show you what it looks like now. It's not as neat. It's a little bit more messy, but we'll just give you a quick rundown of that. We want to go a little bit into the house that we bought and why we bought it, because we were not expecting to put in an offer on a house when we visited Calgary. It was more just to feel out the city, but this house, we could not refuse it. Actually, there were two.
Yeah, the first house that we put an offer on, we were excited about it, and it was in a neighborhood there that we liked, but it just seemed like the person on the other end wasn't really willing to negotiate all that much.
It had been sitting on the market for quite a while. We were thinking that they were open to negotiating on the price, but when we came in a little under, they weren't budging on their asking price. In fact, they started to tell their real estate agent that they wanted more over asking, so we were like, ugh. And we only had a few days in Calgary. We decided to back away from that offer because we didn't want to spend the last few days on a deal that probably was not going to happen, and they didn't seem to care about the fact that we had a very tight timeline.
There was an option 1 and 1A type scenario. Yeah, it was down. We liked
these two
houses. The one that we first put an offer on, we, like Jerika said, we backed away from that one and moved on to the very, very close second. Yep.
And the negotiations for this house went extremely smoothly, and as it should, where we put in an offer, they responded after a few hours, and it went back and forth a little bit, and then they accepted, and we accepted their counter, and that was fine. But with that sale, we had to put in a condition of selling our own house. Since this house is more expensive than ours, we wanted to make sure we had the financing in place, because if we didn't sell our current home, we would not have the down payment that we would need to afford this place. So that was crucial that we put that in there, and they accepted that. We also requested a home inspection. That was very important to us as well. They accepted that. That was our house buying process in Calgary, which I think could not have gone any smoother. Aside from that first house, it wasn't very smooth, but the second house process is much smoother.
Yeah, yep.
Very bright lighting here. So we came back to Canada with an accepted offer on that new house, and it's just been pretty much chaos ever since. We staged our house, got rid of a lot of stuff, converted our dining room, which was a fulfillment center, back into a dining room, and stuffed everything into a locker. So while we were in Calgary, we were keeping our real estate agent here in Midland, Ontario, in on the loop. When we got back, he was all ready and set to go.
Yeah, we came in late on a Thursday, and then we had a meeting with him Friday morning.
On the Friday.
Yeah.
This is really interesting. He actually has sold this house, the house we live in, 3 times, including the time that he sold it for us right now. He's very local to the area, and he used to live 2 houses down. We're not surprised that the people that have lived in this house used him as a real estate agent, because he just knows the street, he knows the house, so we felt really comfortable taking him on as a real estate agent, and we were not disappointed. He's awesome.
Yeah, I was thinking about that more. It's like, how many real estate agents have actually lived on the street that you're, buying a house on, or, selling a house on?
And he gave us a lot of tips on what we should do to stage our house. Our house, before we did anything, was a huge mess. There were dog gates everywhere. It looked very much like people who love their pets live there. It didn't really seem much like a home, so we definitely took the initiative to clean it out as much as we could, and that's why the storage unit was so handy for that, because we were able to just put everything away in there. As soon as he had it listed, because we met him on the Friday, and he gave us until Monday to get the house ready for pictures, and we were able to do that by Monday. And so Wednesday was the day that we were able to get the house listed. Yeah.
We feel like we did about a month's worth of cleaning and work all over that weekend to have everything ready for pictures on Monday.
We definitely worked super hard. We didn't know what to expect, but it was that day that we started to get the requests rolling in, and we got quite a few right off the bat, which is a really, really good sign. We did quite a few showings. I think we did 7, right?
Yeah, there were 7 over the course of 2 days, yeah. Yeah,
but there was interest early on, right away, because I've always said this about our house. It's an old house. It's about 100 years old, but it has so much to offer in the sense that the rooms are really big and spacious, and it's the perfect starter home for people. But at the same time, because it's 100 years old, you'll have 2 camps of people where they either love that kind of thing and will fall in love with the house right away, or you have people that are like, oh my god, it's 100 years old, and they will see every single crack, and that'll be just a complete no for them. And we did see that reflected in the feedback that our agent got. There were either people that were really interested and people that were not interested at all. There was no in between.
Yeah, if you were interested in a techie modern house, ours was not the one for you.
But the people who saw our house fell in love with it. They put in an offer, and it was above asking. And yeah, we couldn't refuse it. We're just coming up on the storage unit right now, so we'll show you that.
Looks like some boxes fell over.
Oh my gosh. So we had to put all of this in a truck, But hopefully we'll be a little bit more organized because we kind of threw things in here in a panic.
Yeah, this is not put in here with much strategy at all. Like over on the other side was like originally some dump stuff that I've taken. But yeah, this was kind of thrown in here hastily. So.
Yep. So this is some of the stuff that we had to put away, but now it's back out. The wine. And here's Dempsey Girl. We had to put this away. And what, honey? And we had to start using this table, this really nice table, as our packaging table again. So now that we're home, I'm going to show you a package that I got a few days ago. And for those of you guys that like to infuse oils and butters with herbs on your own at home, then this might interest you guys. Come along with me. I'll show you. Kayla's busy packaging things. You're running away. So the Levo company was so kind to send me their infusion machine, and on their website you can pick different kinds of bundles, and I got to pick the Ultimate Bundle, which includes a few more tools that you can use to make your infusion stuff. So that's exciting. I'm going to be unboxing that whole thing for you right now. You can get this machine in all kinds of colors. I didn't choose my color, but I see this red sticker over here, so I'm guessing it's the red one, which is good because my appliances are red. I don't know if you can see that. Red KitchenAid. Let's do the machine first. Kale's in the background, packaging orders while I'm in here goofing around. This red box, so I'm guessing it is the red one. So here it is. And this box is really cool. It shows you all the cool things that you can make once you infuse oils and butters. You can make cookies, and looks like you can do brownies, bake a whole bunch of stuff. This machine is actually really popular with cannabis enthusiasts because they can use this machine to infuse oils and butters with their cannabis. But I don't have any of that, so I don't think I'll be using this machine for that. But I do have lots of herbs like lavender and rosemary, mint, all that kind of stuff. So I'm really excited to play around with this machine and using it for those purposes. So here's the main box. I'm gonna open it up. So it looks like there is an app. Here's the machine. And it is a gorgeous red color. So if you open the top, it comes with a little compartment that you would put the herb that you would like to infuse your butters and oils with. So for example, if you want to make a lavender infused anything, you would put the lavender buds in here, and that would go into here, and then you would put the oil and butter in here, and then there's a receptacle down here which will receive your infused oil and butter once it's all done. I've looked up infusions on YouTube, and it seems like the process takes quite a few days. If you do it the traditional way, which is steeping your herbs in the oil and butter in like a jar or container for a few days and then even a few months. But with this machine, you can condense that time to just a few hours, I think, which is really, really convenient. And I can't wait to start doing stuff like that. Things that come to mind that I really want to make off the top of my head is a calendula infused oil. I mentioned lavender. Looks like you can also infuse honey with different herbs. See, this machine seems very, very versatile. So that's what you get when you order just the machine, but if you go with the Ultimate Bundle, the second package comes in the mail. Oh, cool. So the first thing I see is this receptacle, and this would go underneath the machine here in this area for the oil and butter to drip down into it. And this is also a spray bottle. So if, for example, you're making an oil that's infused with something, you can use this handy spray bottle to spray your food with it. It's a fine oil mister. It also comes with this herb block tray. You can pour the melted butter into this ice cube tray to make frozen blocks of infused butter to use whenever you want. So that is really, really handy. And then you also get an herb pot press, and this helps you easily extract the oil from your herbs, and it's designed to fit inside of the herb pods, inside these guys. You can really press down into this container so that you really get all of that herb into your oil or butter. And you also get a gummy and candy mold. And this tray makes small little candy shaped either gummies or hard candies, whatever you like. And in this pack, you get 2 trays and 2 droppers. And the last thing, you get a cookbook. And this cookbook has a bunch of recipes that will give you the specific amounts. So this cookbook doesn't just contain recipes, but it also walks you through the whole idea of infusing things, what you can infuse, how to infuse them. Apparently you can infuse milk. So for someone who's very new to this whole infusion thing, this book is going to be something that I'm going to be referring to a lot. And hopefully on this channel, I'll show you guys what I make using this machine.
Can you infuse eggnog?
Maybe. I don't know. Maybe you can infuse some milk that you can make eggnog from scratch. I haven't looked into here yet.
I like my 1 cup of eggnog every Christmas season. Just 1 cup. That's all I can handle.
Yeah.
I love it, but it's so sugary. So what is this? I thought it was like a Instapot or something.
No, it is not an Instapot. It's just a way to easily infuse your butters and oils with herbs or botanicals of your choice. I am looking forward to making like calendula infused oils or even like lavender infused butters, that kind of stuff to use in skincare, but it might be fun to make stuff that we can cook with at the same time. If I make something for skincare, I'm going to put that onto the main channel, and if I make something else that's not that, I'll probably put it on this channel.
Yeah.
Definitely want to take you guys on that adventure.
Awesome.
So Cale is working on some orders right now. Are you making labels?
Yep, making labels for some soap.
Cool. Oh, you should label a few of those special bath bombs that I made too.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to get that on the website.
Yeah.
But I was thinking we can close out the vlog here because we already talked about so much, but we want to keep updating you guys on the whole moving situation. It's a go. We're gonna go to Calgary in a couple of weeks.
It's a go. Truck is booked.
Yeah. And we have a ton more stories to tell. Please subscribe if you want to watch more and hear more. And yeah, thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. We'll see you in the next one.
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Bye.